This time last year, I was pretty banged up from a carriage accident and had a lot of time off from work. This year, not only am I full-time back on the job, but I have to work 2 weeks of overtime and on-call between now and Christmas, which is going to make Vlogmas quite entertaining, because at some point I could get so busy I don't know how I'm going to do any videos. Don't be disappointed if I have to smash a few days together, but we'll do the best that we can to keep you guys entertained. Vlogmas is probably going to revolve around this beast. This is the Kraken. You've probably seen her in other videos. She is the world's most expensive medical disaster of a dog. And right now we're kind of working on blowing out her second knee. She's already gone through one knee surgery and is having issues with her good knee. I don't think I'm going to do surgery again because she did not do well with it. So I'm researching currently about getting her a brace for her knee.